Introduction to strategic cost management. The focus is on cost control and reduction. Strategic cost management. The strategy is a set of actions taken by managers of a company to increase the company's performance. Example: stops producing product B, sale of A would fall down by 25%. If B stopped, A's sale will reduce by 25%. B is making loss. Case 1. Case 1: repairs of machinery, as in when machinery breaks down. This is a traditional approach to cost management. This is a short term approach to manage cost. Case 2: cost cutting, impacting the performance of employees. Business decision can impact the reputation and brand image. Difference between traditional versus strategic cost management. Traditional cost management is a short term concept, strategic cost management, long term concept. Focus, internal focus, traditional cost management. Cost driver based on volume of the product. Objective, scorekeeping, attention, directives. Problem solving. Cost reduction, primary objective is cost reduction. Strategic cost management, time span is long term. Focus is both internal and external. Strategic cost management is cost driver concept. Each value activity has a separate cost driver. So, not based on volume but on activities associated with the manufacturing of the product. Objective: cost leadership or product differentiation. Cost reduction. Primary objective is cost containment, cost reduction, and value improvement at the same time. Approach: risk taking and ability to adapt itself with changing environment. Components of strategic cost management: strategic positioning analysis, cost driver analysis, value chain analysis. Scorekeeping is preparing an income statement. Attention to prepare budget report. Problem solving is comparison of costs of assessing possible course of action. Cost driver analysis. Structural cost drivers. A large scale of operations is likely to give an advantage of economies of scale. Usage of technology. The experience or learning curve impacts cost. Product development process could be costlier earlier and cheaper in later stage of a life cycle. Executional cost drivers are based on firms' operational decision on how the various resources are employed to achieve the goals and objectives. Style and policy. Participation of workforce, continuous improvement. Executional cost drivers. Value chain analysis identifies and analyzes various activities that add value to the final product. Eliminate such non value adding activities. Case scenario: ABC Limited manufacturing garment. It has single manufacturing facility at Ludhiana. Strengthen its position further in the global market. It is planning to enhance quality. State the primary activities as per Porter's value chain analysis. Porter's value chain analysis. 5 primary activities is of IOOMS. I. Inbound logistics, material handling and warehousing. Operations, transformation of yarn. Outbound logistics, movement of ready-made garments to the point of sales. Order processing, distribution are major part of these activities. M for marketing and sales. Demand creation, customer solicitation, communication, pricing, channel management are major part of these activities. Service. These activities are performed after selling the goods to customer. Industry structure analysis, Porter 5 force model. Identify Structure analysis, bargaining power of buyer, bargaining power of supplier. Input is important to buying the firm. Is not replaceable. Alternate input is not available. Dictate terms. Threat of substitute products or services. Multiple and close substitutes are competitive pricing. Threat of new entrants. Barrier to entry and perceived profitability. Industries which require huge amount of capital or sophisticated technical know-how might not have a high threat of new firms. Restricts newer firms to start the business, like in the case of defense industry. Intensity of competition or rivalry amongst firms. Cutthroat competition, high number of firms, intensity of competition is higher when firms are more or less equal size. Extra capacity exists in the industry. Difficulty in differentiation in the products. High exit barriers exist. Higher fixed cost. W case scenario, WDG family makes paper tube. Expand their packaging operation in overseas to automated machines. Assess whether WDG should join paper tube market as a performance improvement strategy. 5 force model, competitive environment. 5 forces: buying bargaining power, supplier bargaining power, threat of substitute product, threat of new entrant, intra-industry competition, low cost of machine training, high threat of new entrant, insignificance difference, alternative suppliers, paper tube cost approximately 1 to 3%, customers power is high. Fact that the special paper from which tubes are maintained remain in short supply. Signals high threat from suppliers. Market is a slow growing, high rivalry among competitors. Little real threat from substitute product. HEG is expanded or the price plastic tube goes down sharply. Major threat from potential new entrants. WDG might enter this market due to low capital investment, but the easy entry, threat of substitute, existence of established competitors. Joining this market might be a good move if WDG would be able to manufacture paper tubes at low cost, taking into consideration all possible synergies between its existing operations. From the available information, joining the market not seems to be attractive. Core competitive analysis, organizational structure, resources, unique skills, distinct value to customers, unique technical know-how. Distinct customer value, core competence. Core competence stem from two sources: resources and capabilities. Create value for customers. They can be tangible or intangible. Difficult a resource is to imitate. Capabilities. Company's ability to coordinate resources, put them to productive use. Applying the value chain approach to core competencies for competitive advantage includes following steps: validate core competency in current business. Leverage competencies to value chain of other existing business. Excellent distribution network. Example, if a bank has wide network of branches in its banking business, same network can be used to launch and sell insurance products. Use core competencies to reconfigure the value chains of existing businesses. Sophisticated firms work harder on using their core competencies to reconfigure the value chain to improve payoffs. Exploit opportunities. Use core competencies to create new value chains. Strong core competencies, new value chains. Segmentation framework, value chain analysis. industry structure analysis, core competencies, segmentation analysis. Segmentation analysis is identify segmentation variables in categories, construct a segmentation matrix, analyze segment attractiveness, identify key success factors for each segment, analyze attractiveness of broad versus narrow segment scope, identify segmentation variables and categories. An industry might be divided into multiple segments depending upon the nature and complexity of the industry. The segmentation could be based on the nature of products or geographies or customers. Construct a segmentation matrix. Generally, there are two ways: products and geographies, product and distribution channel. Analyze segment attractiveness, profitability, and performance of each of the segment. Identify key success factors for each segment. Analyze attractiveness of broad versus narrow segment scope. Company might be in a position to use the competency of one segment because of lack of profitability. Superior performance and competitive advantage. Differentiation advantage, low cost advantage. Differentiation advantage, product differentiation. Higher quality, fewer risk, outperforms products. A differentiation advantage can be achieved by adopting the following techniques: superior quality, superior innovation, superior customer responsiveness. Superior quality, better quality product in the similar price range. Superior innovation, innovative products ahead of its competition. Superior customer responsiveness, aligned with customers' expectation. Low cost advantage, cost leadership. Cost advantage, charge a lower price than its competitors, match with price of competing products. Relative cost advantage, exploiting economies of scale, lower their costs as well. Low cost advantage can be achieved by reduced cost by copying rather than creating. Economies of scale, high volume purchasing to get discounts for bulk purchases, locating in areas where cost advantage exists, gaining learning and experience curve benefits. Value chain approach for assessing competitive advantage. Assessing competitive advantage, internal cost analysis, internal differentiation analysis, vertical linkage analysis. Internal cost analysis, identify the firm's value creating processes. Determine the portion of the total cost of the product or service attributable to each value creating process. Trace or assign costs, the costs of support activities. Identify the cost drivers for each process, factors which drive costs. Identify the links between processes. Evaluate the opportunities for achieving relative cost advantage. Costs are not reduced strategically. Larger opportunity for reducing costs. Reducing process input costs often means negotiating lower wages or moving production to countries with cheap labor costs. Internal differentiation analysis, value creating process and carry out a differentiation analysis. Identify the customer value creating processes. Evaluate differentiation strategies for enhancing customer value. Enhance the customer value. Companies can implement to enhance the customer value. Strategies companies can implement to enhance customer value are: superior features in product, effective marketing and distribution channels, excellent customer service, superior brand image, better quality product at competitive prices. Determine the best suitable differentiation strategy. enhance differentiation, identify those strategies, create sustainable product or service. Vertical linkage analysis. A company generates competitive advantage not only through linkages of internal processes within a firm but also through linkage between firm's value chain and that of suppliers or users. All upstream and downstream activities, internal value chain but also of the industry value chain. Cost and revenues. A company must identify and evaluate the opportunities for sustainable competitive advantage after carrying out a industry value chain analysis. After carrying out a industry value chain analysis, example, manufactures cars. A company manufactures cars, does not manufacture all the components. Company focuses on assembly, core competency. Vision, mission, and objectives and SCM. A company's mission statement. Mission statement is what kind of product or services will the company offer, which is the primary market for its offering, what is the area of operation geographies, what type of customers does the company seek to target. A company's vision, a company's objective or goal, specific and measurable as well as challenging and realistic. Strategic cost management SCM is not a fine science but require careful analysis of how strategic management concepts provide positive or adverse reaction to each element of value chain, positioning decisions and cost drivers. The art in doing this is working out strategies which have the most preferential cost benefits. There is overlap between these three different types of strategic cost management analysis techniques, which can all relate back to executional, structural, and organizational cost. Each type of analysis is aimed at establishing where cost benefits can be achieved through strategic choices managers make within the organization. Value shop model or service value chain. Mr. Charles B. Stable and Mr. Oyston D. Fizzlestad. Service sector. People, knowledge, or money. How to exploit an opportunity. The model has the same support activities as Porter's value chain, but the primary activities are described differently. In the value shop, they are problem finding and acquisition, problem solving, choosing among solutions, execution and control evaluation. The role of management accountant and then summary. Competitive advantage. Wireless is a manufacturer of mobile phones. Market dynamic, extremely competitive. JIT just in time. Strategy, risk involved. Answer to this is wireless is following low cost strategy and a differentiation strategy of wireless. Offered at discounted rates, gain market share, maintain its profitability. Distributing and other costs will be low, keeping its manufacturing distributing costs low. Mobile Z is a unique product, differentiation strategy, superior product quality, innovation, and customer responsiveness. Second, risk involved. Risk involved price reduction, equivalent price reduction by its competitors, eliminate players who are unprofitable, costs low and on a sustained basis. Other risk, quality of the product could be impacted negatively due to lowering of cost. Risk in differentiation strategy is customers are not price sensitive. Customers, as long as certain customers are willing to pay extra for additional features, Mobile Z will have a competitive advantage. Ability of competitors to replicate the features of Mobile Z. IPR, intellectual property rights, in order to prevent its competitors from replicating the design and features of Mobile Z. It only when these risks are contained. Unique features. Wireless has to constantly monitor and assess how these technological developments can impact its business. Sustain its current strategy. Low cost advantage can be maintained by copying designs rather than creating them. Attaining economies of scale. Learning and experience curve benefits. Standardization of design. For mobile Z and A would improve the quality of the product since the design is based on a product that has premium range of customers. Since these features can improve the sales, costs would benefit from economies of scale due to larger production volumes. Bulk purchase of components for mobile A and Z gives wireless the advantage of negotiating for discounts. It could also negotiate for favorable delivery terms. All this contributes towards lowering the cost of production of mobile A. This will help wireless sustain its low cost advantage. Done.